Installed this saddlebag bracket that I bought at J&P Cycles. That's the model number for my custom Fatboy, and I didn't want anything. I wanted something that I can quickly disconnect, go to the gym and whatnot. So this one actually fits on the bike without doing any alterations. This is the other side I'm not going to put on, but that's what it looks like. So what I did is I took my tank bag that I use for the gym and I just bolted it on that, and this stays. Then I put where it connects to right here. So see, I didn't have to. The other one from, I think Victory, or I forgot what the other company, they have one that goes from here to here, but then you would have to move the light, and I don't want to do that. So basically this is how it works. You just grab this. Let's see if I could do this. And I'm gonna try and do this with one hand. That's it. See, and it locks. And there you go. So now it stays on. I don't have to ruin the tank by putting that bag on there, or like I used to. I used to strap it on the back here, but then I can't take a passenger, and it's just a pain with the net that I used. So now when I get to the gym, just unlock it here, and then just, oops, again trying to do this one hand, and there you go. And I can just walk in. I think it's the coolest thing.